Mayong hapon, we are here at Santa Fe Resort with my mural painting team. We are going to feature another Ilonggo word series, and we have thought of something different for this episode. Words that we consider dalom. So for my contribution, it's not really that deep, but just to explain to you the kind of words that we're going to get from these guys, my contribution would be dalom. So it means deep. Julio Bandido.
Hi guys.
Hello Jay. So what Ilonggo word do you have in mind?
Butho. Buluthuan. Buluthuan, short and butho. Means school.
School.
Buluthuan.
Butho.
Manunudlo means teacher and buluthuan means school.
So how about the student?
Students.
Manugbutho.
Taga-butho.
That's one word. Butho, meaning to study, and the school is buluthuan, the place to study. I'm here at the second floor of the scaffolding. Yaj Lee. Pangsot, meaning the smell of stinky urine. Sharp, pungent, acidic smell. Pangsot. What are you painting, Yaj? That's buaya. Buaya is a crocodile, also used for politicians.
And players.
Buaya means
And basketball players. Wara Ichi, what word do you have in mind?
I don't mind. I'm still loading. Gakarga.
Gakarga. Karga means to load or to carry. So loading is nagakarga. Cargado.
Cargado loaded.
Loaded. But in modern times, carga or cargado seems to have a different meaning. What word do you have in mind?
Wala gid.
Ulhot.
Ano ko lot yan eh?
Ulhot. Ulhot is to
Appear.
appear from nowhere. New old word. Ulhot. Wala dula. Nagsaliputpot. Saliputpot. So ulhot, and then to disappear, saliputpot. Bache, what word do you have in mind?
Marimis.
Marimis.
Marimis, like marimis nga kanon.
Meaning,
Marimis pa, I don't know. I
meaning
just heard them from
very clean, very pristine in its purest
Probably,
form, pure, pristine, clean. Marimis. Ang opposite gani, Jay?
marigna.
The opposite word for marimis, which is
I have marigna.
marigna. Marigna. So, meaning to say it's ew. It's
Ew. It's
ew.
gross.
Gross. Yes. Like this water over here. That's marigma. Brackish water. And the also murugmon. What is murugmon?
Murugmon is the person who's drinking.
Murugmon is a horrible person.
Yeah, like a monster.
A monster.
This first over here? Oh,
Terrible. We have it, our episode for this afternoon. Deep Ilonggo words. Dalom. Well, not so deep, but old Ilonggo words that we rarely use these days. So it's nice to be reminded of those words. So please leave a comment for more words that you want to learn. Leave a thumbs up and do subscribe to our page. Until then, this is Joan Hobart. I love you all.